Veneto Stars is the challenge promoted by the Veneto region, dedicated to young people and space innovation. Each year, a new theme to transform space data into practical solutions. This year marks the 4th edition. The 2026 theme is Space Meets Agri-Food, a new way to look at the future of agriculture, from satellite data to the fields, from innovation to everyday decisions.
Quest'anno un premio per i 3 team vincitori. Il Veneto è una regione che vuole investire nei giovani, nel futuro e nelle loro idee.
We are looking for concrete ideas with clear applicability at the local level. For example, precision agriculture, sustainable management of natural resources, environmental monitoring, innovation across the entire agri-food supply chain.
Se hai dai 18 ai 25 anni e hai un'idea vincente, ti aspettiamo.
Registrations are now open. Find out more at venetostars.com